Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best sock holder for laundry, the QiNZiN Laundry Bags Mesh Wash Bags. If you've ever struggled with losing socks or damaging delicate clothes in the washing machine, this product might just be the game changer you need. First off, these laundry bags are designed specifically to protect your delicates. Whether it's your favorite lingerie, bras, underwear, or even baby clothes, the fine polyester mesh material offers a soft and breathable barrier that prevents twisting, stretching, or tangling during washing. The fabric is durable but gentle, making sure your items stay in great condition wash after wash. This set comes with 4 large-sized bags, each measuring 16 by 20 inches, providing ample space for various items. The mesh design allows water and detergent to flow freely, ensuring your clothes get a thorough clean while remaining secure inside the bag. The bags are lightweight and easy to handle, so using them is hassle-free whether you're at home or doing laundry in a public laundromat. One feature that stands out is the convenient zipper closure. The zipper keeps everything safely contained, so no more fishing socks out from the washing machine or worrying about delicate items getting stuck or damaged. Plus, the zipper includes a protective elastic cover, preventing it from snagging on your clothes or the machine. These bags are not just for washing clothes. They double as great organizers for small items like socks, toys, or underwear, which makes them perfect for college students or anyone who wants to keep their laundry sorted and neat. They are reusable and easy to clean, so you can rely on them for long-term use without any hassle. In terms of durability, the tight stitching and high-quality materials ensure these bags won't tear easily, even with regular washing. They can hold up to 10 pounds, which is plenty for most laundry needs. Just remember not to overload the bags. Keeping them around 2/3 full will help maintain their shape and protect your clothes better. Using these laundry bags also helps extend the life of your delicate clothing by reducing the wear and tear caused by the washing machine's agitation. This is especially important if you want to keep your lingerie and special garments looking fresh and intact for longer. If you're someone who values convenience and protection in your laundry routine, the QiNZiN laundry bags offer a simple, affordable, and effective solution. They're lightweight, durable, and versatile, making them an excellent addition to any household. So next time you're doing laundry, grab one of these mesh bags, toss in your socks or delicates, zip it up, and let the bag do the work for you. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in the QiNZiN laundry bags, check out the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.